I'm on a popcorn break, to recoup my energies. So that was an easy trick. But don't worry, I've got a tougher trick in line for you. I'm gonna take it to the next level. I'm gonna do a classic cup and ball trick that should be in every magician's repertoire. Except, I think I'll do it with popcorn. Because I'm a foodie magician. Now I'm going to show you my rendition of a classic trick. I'll call it my cups and popcorn trick. First, I need 3 nice looking popcorn, like so. Now I'll just lay out my cups and get to work. First I take a popcorn and place it on top of the first cup. Now I cover it with the other 2. And now for some magic. Skadoosh! Do you think it's gone through? Why don't we check? And it has! Isn't that amazing? Now let's see if we can do it again. Again, I line up my cups, take the popcorn, place it on the cup, cover it with the other 2 cups. No trickery here, just some magic. Skadoosh! And there we have it. Now let's see if I can try it a 3rd time. Place the cups, place the popcorn, cover the popcorn, and magic. Skadoosh! And it's worked. Isn't that amazing? So, do you want to learn how to do my cups and popcorn trick? Now for the secret to my unique 1 in a million cup and popcorn trick. No other magician in the world does it but me. With popcorns at least. Now, the secret to this trick is actually just a little bit of preparation, which is just 1 extra popcorn that you place on top of the first cup in the stack, like that. Now, you take out 3 almost identical popcorn and place them like so. Now, when you start putting your cups on the table, you put 1 cup, but the second cup that you put has the secret popcorn. So you have to be sure to put it from here to here very quickly, like that, so the audience does not see the extra popcorn inside. Now, you take a popcorn like I did, you put it on the first cup, and you cover it with the other 2. And then you use some magical razzle-dazzle, hocus pocus alakazam, to make them think that the popcorn is actually passed through the cup. But what you reveal is actually the popcorn that you hid there earlier. Now all you have to do is keep repeating this. And what you have to do is put the first cup, put the second cup that again has a secret popcorn inside. And now this time you have to make sure that this cup goes over the other popcorn like that. And then continue with your trick as before. And again, after some razzle-dazzle hocus pocus, you again reveal your hidden popcorn. And it looks like it has, once again, passed through. Should I show it to you once more? First place, then place the popcorn, cover the cups, razzle-dazzle, and there you go. And that's the secret to my amazing, famous cup and popcorn trick. But be sure not to share the secret with any adults, or any of your friends for that matter, because then you can amaze all of them.